Welcome back, students. So I've gone around and I have divided up the walls where there are openings like doors and where there are openings like windows. Okay, and what I did is a little cheat on my drawing. If I zoom in here, you'll see that the opening for this window, I've got it cut off here, not over there. Now, the reason why I've done this is I was able to select the lines and then copy those so that all of the window openings in my dwelling here are going to be the same window. It's a convenient thing to do in terms of manufacturing because it's a lower cost, I think, and they're all a one window type, and it doesn't really impact the building so much. So it was a little time saving technique that I have used. Alright, so you can do that, or you can just draw them in as previously illustrated in the other video. Alright, so where we have walls that don't have openings, like this wall here, there's no window here. Alright, so this double wall can in fact come up to its full height. Alright, so that's what I'm going to start to do. Pull those up. So we use our push-pull tool. Make sure you get the surface and pull it up and bring it up to the height of the top plate. Now if you can't get it to snap on there, right, move over to this one and have it snap on the top plate over there. So you can infer the height from any of the objects. Okay, so I can't get it to snap there, so I'll use that one. Alright, and I can do that with the other, right, the other wall here. So both the internal wall and the external wall can be pulled up like that. That one has easily found that edge and is happily snapping there. So I've got a double brick wall there, like that. Okay, so wherever you have parts of wall that don't have an opening, so for example we've got another one here, you can pull them up to that height. Alright, now you can hold shift on your keyboard and you can go around to other parts of the drawing or the entire drawing if you want, and you can pull them up in one hit like that. Now I need to hold shift and do that, so I'll click there. Alright, that's not going to work. Alright, scrub that. It looks like it might be messy, so I'm just going to do them one at a time. Alright, so we'll grab this one, pull it up, and I'm going to infer to this wall here so that I get them all the same height. Okay, now where we have a window, I'll just finish pulling this one up. Try that again. Right, and we'll infer to that corner there. And we should have our double cavity wall. And for some reason it looks taller than the other one. So I'll check that. That looks better. Okay. Now where we have a window, so this is a window opening here. We're not pulling these up to full height. So a window sill, there is no standard. Alright, but a common size is around about 1100 off the ground. So I want to do the inside wall first, because that's just easier. I'll pull that up to 1100, which I'm going to type in 1100, press enter. Alright, and I'll do the same with the external wall now. And I can try to get that to infer. No, it won't. Maybe on a different angle it will. No, so I'll just type it in 1100. Alright, so there we have the wall divided where the window is going to be. Now this kind of looks ugly, and later on you'll be able to go around the drawing and trim off those lines, especially on the visible parts of the drawing, like there and there. Don't worry too much about trying to get rid of the ones that are inside the wall there. You can if you're really fussy, but it's unnecessary to do that. Alright, so the window needs to be finished off at the top, and that's something for the next video, because we're going to do the windows first, and then when we put our doors in, we will finish off the top of the windows as well. So for this video, what you do, go around and pull up the walls, and where you've got windows, you can leave an opening like that. You'll know if they're a door because they'll have the swing of the door drawn on there like that. Okay. Now at the back, on my one, interesting thing, it looks like there's windows at the back here, but because there's actual line here, these are a sliding door, like a glass door that would slide from left to right. So on your drawing, you may want to check whether you have any sliding doors. Okay. Alright, so I'll see you in the next video where we pull up the remaining doors. Thanks for watching.